fellow woodworkers and makers of great things. Welcome back to the shop. Today we're talking about the bandsaw again, and specifically we're talking about bandsaw tires. Now, when I got this bandsaw, a couple of decades ago, it came with rubber tires that were glued to the wheels, and then eventually, they wear out or crack or break, and you need to replace them. So what I've been doing for quite some time is using urethane tires, but I've been going with these orange ones that you kind of see all over the place. Again, I guess I get them on Amazon. I don't know where I've gotten them over the years, but certainly Amazon, maybe Woodcraft, maybe a woodworking show, I don't know. But I've been going with the orange urethane tires. Well, this time when I was doing the major bandsaw overhaul earlier this year, I decided to upgrade and go with the Carter blue urethane bandsaw tires. Now, I don't know why, other than I wanted to try something a little better. These things aren't that great. They don't last very long, and I thought, why I've got everything apart, and while I'm upgrading everything, why not give the Carter urethane a try? They're about $10 more a tire, by the way. I think these are about 14 bucks. These are about 24 bucks. So it's no bargain to go with Carter, but I have been more than happy with Carter products. I mean, I honestly think that they make the best bandsaw products out there. I've got blade guides. I've got their riser kit. All kinds of their tension release mechanism. All kinds of good stuff. For the bandsaw from Carter. So I said, why not try the tires? So let's get into it, and let me show you my kind of creative method for getting these tires onto the wheels. I've never used the Carter ones, but when I was on the Carter website, Alex Snodgrass had a pretty cool video on how to put these on. The orange ones I would always put in hot soapy water, for about 10-15 minutes, get them nice and pliable and soft and slippery, and I'd be able to stretch them on. But he says you could do that, but you don't have to, and I'm going to try his method for the first time. So if I totally screw this up, just understand that this is the first time I'm trying this method. So he says put a clamp up here, another clamp about here, and then stretch it down. And another clamp about here. Now he says you should be able to just stretch this around. Oh, I lost the clamp. Probably the least important one. How do you get your fingers out of the way? Okay, this looks like it might go. Oh, all right, that's over. This is the part where it's usually warm and slippery. Oh, you got that. Just a little more to go here. If I get these fingers out, I'm losing it on the left. Now let's get it on the right here. I don't lose it. Got it. All right, that worked. Well, that worked pretty good. I think if I had to do it again, it'd be faster. But it's not like that took very long. Let's get the last of it over the edge. And we're in business. I've done this in the past while it was on the bandsaw. So maybe that's a little harder if you're actually on the bandsaw. I don't know. But he seemed to do it fine. And by the way, because it was off the bandsaw, I thought it'd be easy enough. This happens to be a 3/4 bore. So I just put a bench dog in a hole, clamped a 1, 2, 3 block there,
And man, you got to install bandsaw blades. That 1, 2, 3 block stops it from turning very much. That seems to be the way to do it. All right, let's get this on the saw. Might need a little persuasion.
There you go.
The threads on this are left-handed. So we're gonna lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. And
Good. All right, we've got a new bandsaw tire. Let's put a blade on this thing and turn it back into a bandsaw. All right, there we go. We've got the blue Carter urethane tires on the bottom and the top wheel, and we're going to give them a go, see how they hold up and how they perform, as compared to the prior brands that I've been using. Looking forward to seeing how that goes, and of course I will get back with you guys as time tells the true story. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys found that useful. Hey, if you've already subscribed to the channel, I really appreciate you. Thank you. If not, think about it. We could use some more subscribers here on the channel.